What's going on YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper. Welcome back to a new video. In this video I just want to open a package. So I ended up picking up my first phone from OfferUp. Just like how Macari was, I was a bit skeptical as far as, if I would actually get the phone. This guy took a long time to actually send the phone. And from the looks of it, he didn't package it very well. It's not very much cushion in there, but anyway, I'm gonna open it on camera. This is my first time opening this phone. I actually got it. Got it on Friday, and just decided to open it today. But I just wanted to do it on camera and see what I get. Hopefully, this is an iPhone 8 like I bought, and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna open it up really quick. Hopefully, it's charged up so I can actually show you guys the phone and all that. And voila, there we go. So from the looks of it, the phone does look good. There's no cracks, just like how it was stated. Has one little ding here. Other than that, this phone's probably like 8.5 out of 10 condition. Let's see if it turns on. Hopefully it's still, okay, it is turning on. So we'll wait for that. But again, going back, I didn't want to just go out and buy a bunch of phones on OfferUp. Just wanted to kind of pace myself with. I did see a lot of deals on there. Also saw a lot of scammer accounts as well. So just like Macari, you got to be safe as far as what you're going to buy and what you commit to buying. Because if you do buy a phone from a scammer or somebody that doesn't want to send you the phone, they want you to pay through Cash App, that can hold up your funds. If you do that, you might get scammed. So the phone is on. You guys can see. We're going to do the daily checks. It doesn't have iCloud on it. Hopefully it focuses. Doesn't have iCloud on it. It's supposed to be 64 gig. Let's see if that's correct. It is 64 gigs. You guys can see that as well when it does. Hopefully it'll, there you go. 64 gigs. And yeah, it's good to go. I just have to run the IMEI and all that. But from the looks of it, the phone looks good. The phone is in good condition. There are no, I was scared that it had iCloud on it. There's no iCloud on it. I'm going to check like the sound and stuff like that. Let's check that. Really loud. Vibration works. All that works. So let's check the camera. Camera's not blurry. You guys can see the camera's not blurry at all. So this is a good pickup. Picked it up for $250. It's finance. It is finance. But what I think I'm going to do, I might unlock it with the unlock SIM and sell it locally. It's finance through AT&T. So I'm hoping it doesn't blacklist. I'm going to take the risk of actually selling it local. But just wanted to kind of give you guys, first-hand look as far as myself, the first-hand look of the phone that I picked up. My first OfferUp phone. Again, I mean, this is a good experience. From the first phone, I'm gonna keep buying from OfferUp, and a lot of you guys, ask me all the time about where I'm getting my phones mailed in from, and usually it's just OfferUp or Macari. Those are the main two I deal with. I am getting phones from people who sending them to me, like flippers or other cell phone repair shops who have access to devices that they don't need or want. I get those as well, but for the most part, I deal with Macari and OfferUp now, but Macari was my number one. It still is my number one. I pick up about 3 or 4 phones a week from Macari, and I'm fine with that. So I just wanted to show you guys that if you guys do enjoy this video, please drop a like on the video. If you guys have any comments or any questions, please drop them down below. I do respond to everybody who drops a comment. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Also, if you aren't in my Facebook group, join the Facebook group. So much content and value in that group. I'm getting a lot of questions from you guys who aren't in the group, who are asking questions like, pretty simple questions that can be answered in the group just by a little quick search. So if you're not in the group, do that. If you want to join the course, the link is in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video.